welcome back to DIWhy. Today we have got this piece of history, a Hills Hoist clothesline.
Time to remove it.
And thank you to my previous self for reminding me of what we're up to today. So this piece of Australian history is no longer required in our backyard. It takes up a lot of space and we are looking at renovating and removing a lot of this garden and relocating the shed. So unfortunately, it has to go. I'm sure it's seen many games of Wheel of Fortune, Goon of Fortune, sorry. If you don't know what Goon is, it's just wine in a bag. Put one on each corner, everyone stands around it, underneath the clothesline, and you spin it, and where it stops, you got a drink. Anyway, not endorsing alcohol consumption. Sit back, enjoy, watch me work very fast on this video to remove this Hills Hoist. Thanks for watching.
And just like that, the Hills Hoist is removed. I'll give this a bit of a watering, bit of a pack down, clean up, and the Hills Hoist is for sale. But quite a large bit of concrete under there, and it was low enough that I don't have to worry about it coming through, that's for sure. So I'm going to pack up, get out of here, go for a swim, and always remember to thank your mother for the rabbits, and we'll see you on the next one.